A recent study released by IIT Kharagpur suggests that ozone pollution is a significant but often overlooked threat that could severely decrease agricultural yields in the country. This poses a serious risk to certain food grains such as wheat, rice and maize. Surface ozone acts as a powerful oxidizing agent, damaging plant tissues and impacting growth and productivity of crops. The research was done by Professor Jayanarayanan Kuttiparathar and his team at the Center for Ocean, River, Atmosphere and Land Sciences at IIT Kharagpur.
We are looking at these regions we are considering as ozone polluted regions, because the laboratory studies or the field studies show that if ozone is more than this 40 ppb, that impacts leaves and the plants, saplings and trees, even crops. And in this particular study, we are focusing on the ozone pollution. Sometimes it's also called ozone fumigation. For example, it just fumigate that plant. So that's why it's called. If it's more than that 40 ppb, that threshold, it's kind of a fumigation. So that pollutant act as fumigates the plant.
The findings indicate that under high emission scenarios with insufficient mitigation, wheat yields could suffer an additional 20% reduction, while rice and maize may experience losses of around 7%. The Indo-Gangetic Plain and Central India are particularly vulnerable, with ozone exposure potentially exceeding safe limits by a factor of up to 6, as indicated by the study. The government has introduced certain initiatives such as the National Clean Air Programme that aim at reducing emissions and surface ozone concentrations to protect crops in India.
In India, we have National Clean Air Programme that actually supposed to reduce PM 2.5, particulate matter reduction. But in our labs, one study, we assessed the surface ozone pollution as it can be reduced by this NCAP implementation. Then we found that surface ozone is reduced in major cities due to the implementation of this National Clean Air Program. So, as we know, the agriculture is mostly concentrated in rural areas. So, if we implement these kind of policies like reducing emissions, we can reduce the concentration of surface ozone.
Ozone emissions could have severe implications for global food security, given that India is a significant exporter of food grains to numerous countries across Asia and Africa. The study asserts that the reduction and monitoring of atmospheric pollution are crucial for safeguarding crop health and ensuring food security.